All right, guys, welcome to another episode of the Ignite Initiative. My name is Mike Lisi, and I'm going to be breaking down how I would make 100K a year in 12 months. So if I had to start from zero again, I think what I would do is, number one, I would pick an industry that I'm pretty skilled with, but even if you're not, or even if you want to do this as a side hustle, it's extremely doable. So you got to, number one, reverse engineer how you're going to get there. So 100K, that breaks down to about 8,500 a month in profit that you need to take home, right? So how you're going to get there, include your margins, all that. So what I would create is, I'm going to discuss right now, if you were running some kind of service-based business for entrepreneurs or for other businesses. So in this example, I'm just going to be talking about running ads for other businesses. And if you can get good at it, it can be super profitable for you, and you can help other people win and obviously help yourself win. So another thing about this is just pick one area of business. Like for me, I pick gyms, and work with, like, if you could work with a business that you're kind of familiar with, because you'll be familiar with helping that kind of business. It's a little bit easier. But if you don't know any businesses, that's completely fine too. But still pick one, because it's very easy to scale one niche than 1,000 different things going on at once. So pick that first, have that business down, and then investment wise, like, this is an online business, so there's not much to invest. And that's pretty crazy, because you can make 100K in a year, not even, and you could literally just not invest too much money. So what I would invest is coaching, business coaching. People have been there, done that before. So $5,000, $10,000, that's where my money would go in my spend. That's it. Like, that's all you have to put up, about $10,000. Get a loan if you need to, and invest in experience, right? People that have done that, and they've been there, they live it every day, and that's going to help you out, and then gain your skill. So once you gain your skill in that area of the business you want, from there, it's just, doing a good job, asking for referrals, and going from there. That's all it really is. The cool part is, like, if you want to get to that 8,500 number, you can definitely do it at 30% expenses, so like 70% margins. You can definitely do it with that. So the crazy part is, for 1,200, I mean, what is that exactly? If you charge somebody about 1,500 a month, you need about 8 clients, give or take, right? So if you have 8 clients, that gets you to 1,200 a month. Cut out that 30% expenses, you're bringing home 100K. So all you need is 8 clients. So the first client, do it for free. Even the second client, if you want to, do it for free. Gain some experience, gain some trust. Then, hopefully that turns into a paying client, and then ask for referrals on the next one, right? Reach outs. You have a phone book that you've had since, how long in your cell phone. Reach out to every single contact in your phone. Let them know what you're doing, and let them know how you're helping businesses. And it might not be their business. They might know somebody, though, that owns a business. So that's number one. Get yourself out there. The free accounts that you do in the beginning, document it. Have your results shown. So if you improve your results, show it to other people, that's going to be an easy sell, and then create your offer. So whatever that offer may be, it may be free for the first month. It might be $1 down first month, whatever that might be. If you know you can get some results, that's what you want to roll with. So stack that offer, have it all set, push it out there, testimonials, and then again, you only need to get this to 8 clients. So if you're in, the corporate job, and you want a little side hustle, this is something you easily could do at about 4 hours a day, maybe even less. It is very possible to get there. You don't need a big team. You don't need a team at all for 8 clients. You just need yourself. So it can be extremely possible. So I just want to encourage you today to either reach out to me or just go online, literally go online, go to ChatGPT, help it, like, make your own business, literally. And it's super easy. It's not, all right, so it's not easy. It's super simple. Like, the foundations are super simple. Like, it's not as hard as you think it is, but dedication, consistency, yeah, that stuff, of course, it's not going to come, so easy. But if you want to get that done, it's definitely possible. And I highly recommend doing something in the agency world or in the service business world where you don't have to put too much grunt time in once it gets going. But in the beginning, you will, a little bit of investment, and you get to 100K.